everyone, welcome back to another episode of Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to help you learn how to change your Snapchat username. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Your Snapchat username is set when you first create your Snapchat account. It is not possible to change your Snapchat username, which is for security reasons. When you tap open your Snapchat application and sign into your account, you'll end up in the camera screen of Snapchat. Now, tap on the profile icon at the upper left corner and then tap on the gear icon at the upper right corner from your profile. Tap on the username tab and you can see that nothing happens. All you can change is your name. Simply tap on the name tab at the top of the screen and go ahead and type in a name for your Snapchat. Once you do that, tap on save, and that is all you can do. You won't be able to change your username, so you can instead change your display name for your Snapchat. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.